Do you ever feel anxious, overwhelmed, or like life is just too much and you don't know why you feel that way? This is Michael Stone, author of Traumatized: A Love Story, and I am inviting you to a very special free online event that we'll be holding to look at how our ancestors are impacting us in everyday life. We'll look at the legacy burdens that have been passed down that appear invisible, but they happen like repetition in our life over and over again. We'll be doing a very special process to really feel in the body our ancestors, to sense into it, and have an opportunity to heal by turning towards their wounding. They get healed, and you get healed in the process. I hope you'll join us.